it's me Prachi, and today I'm going to Thorpe Park and I'm so excited. So basically this is UK's second largest amusement park, and it's owned by Moreland Entertainment, and I'm super excited. So basically what I did was from central London, I came to the Waterloo station, and then from here I'm in the train, and it's basically 30 minutes away, and I'm on the way right now, and I'm so excited. And I'm staying overnight, so there's this shark cabin that I'm going to stay at. I'm going to show you what that thing looks like, and that's it. I just got off from the train. I'm going to the bus, the queue, right now. And I'm super excited. This is a big bus. So you just come out and then you see this bus on the right. So it's pretty exciting. So you just take the stairs there. I mean, I don't know if you could see the stairs. You just take those stairs and directly to the bus. So it's pretty cool. So I'm in the bus now, and it was basically £4 from like the train station to Thorpe Park. So I'm so excited right now, and I don't think it's too long. It should be like 5 to 10 minutes. I just want to show you. It just has 20 people at one time. Finally here, and they did multiple scans when I was coming in. So one was a temperature check, and then they checked my bag, this bag, and there was another scan for the bag. But I'm finally here, and let's go inside. I'm so excited. So here it looks amazing. What this place looks like. This is the entrance, and they have music. Wow, this is so damn exciting. Oh my god, I cannot believe how exciting it is. I think that's the hotel that I'm going to be staying at, the Shark Cabin. I'm just here with a few friends, and I'm so excited. This is amazing, and I'm so damn excited. Yay, let's go! Entrance to the hotel, and I'm so excited right now. Looks so fun, and it's so amazing. I'm just gonna keep my luggage in my room. Oh wow, this is so unique. I'll just show you the entrance. So that is the entrance. I'm like going inside the shark. It's so fun. This is so unique. Actually, I'm just gonna go and talk to the reception, but I'm gonna show you what the rooms look like. But this is the entrance. So I'm gonna show it to you. So this part looks so amazing. I'm just gonna show you. Here we go. This is the island shop. There's the photo collection. This is basically the entrance. There's the coffee shop, and there's this infinity bar and kitchen, which is I think open till 10. So I'm just walking. I'm just getting there, and we can actually water over there. A bottle right now. I'll maybe get the bottle from inside. And oh my god! Yay! There are water rides in the beginning. Oh man, I'm coming to an amusement park after like 2 years, and it's so exciting. Wow, I can't believe how amazing this place looks. I'm just gonna get to Nemesis and Saw first, so I have to queue up later. So I'm just going to Saw and Nemesis. Water parks, oh my god. The water ride looks so cool. Oh no, I don't really have my swimming costume or anything. Oh damn. Look at that. Wow. Right now I am just so happy. I'm super, right now it says it's closed.
It's not open yet.
So it's just gonna open in a bit. And I'm still just walking. There's a cute donut shop there. Oh, I can't actually believe I'm here. Looks so amazing. Like wow. What is this? 1 in, 2 in. And then, oh wow, the plush toys are huge. Oh my, I wasn't expecting these big plush toys. They're so big. I'm having the best time here. It's so fun. And I haven't even been on the roller coaster. Just the vibe of it is so cool. Oh, that music. So first we plan to go to Colossus and I'm just gonna show you tree. Looks fun. And the ride apparently we're upside down like 8 or 9 times in this one. This looks massive. It's so huge. Oh my god. Look at that.
To brave the force of the mighty warrior who must be over 1.4 meters tall and all
This looks fun.
as displayed at
Oh
the
my
ride
god.
edge. Smoking is not permitted in the queue line or on the ride.
Okay, I won't smoke. Sorry. Oh wow, there's already a huge queue. Oh man. For the Saw. I'm going to Saw, so it turns out I guess my friends decided to go to Saw now. But look at the queue. There's already a huge queue now. Oh my god. So basically, I think I read it online that Saw usually has like 85-90 minutes queue time. But right now it's bad because we're at least here. Because basically, that's why I decided to come to this one first because it's one of the best rides here at Thor Park. Let's see how it's gonna be. But I'm so thrilled right now. I'm just waiting in the queue. It's a bummer. But if you guys want, there's a fast track option available, so you can get the entire thing for £80 or like per ride it's £10. Just in queue for the Saw. Surprisingly, it just took me like 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like, the entrance. And that is like the continuation of the entrance. There's like a little bit of queue, but I think this much is completely fine. And then there was like a broken police car, and it's moving now. The queue's moving. Oh my god, I'm so excited. First roller coaster I'm going to, and also one of the best. So yeah, it's moving, and I'm excited. Wait, yeah, the mic's connected. I thought the mic wasn't. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go in now, and the queue is finally moving, so that's great. And right now I have so much of energy because this is my first ride.
Thanks for riding.
I went for Saw and it was incredible. Like I couldn't have expected that. It was unbelievable and it was so scary and there were like so many. It was like there was a steep fall. It was insane. Jack, your experience was?
It was very good.
So now I'm just going for Nemesis and Inferno. I'm just in the queue. Luckily there wasn't a huge queue, so I'm just almost there. And I'm so excited for this one. This place is amazing and you can't really see anything right now. But look at that. Oh my god. I went for Nemesis and Inferno and it was fun, but the fact that I went to Saw first, it wasn't as much fun. But anyway, I'm going to Stealth, his fastest roller coaster, and I'm just entering it. Looks amazing. Oh my god, I'm here. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop recording. Bye bye, guys.
Let's hold on tight and brace yourself. Place your heads back, face forwards. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
So guys, I'm just doing the bumping cars now and this is so fun. Oh my god, dude. It's so exciting. And I'm gonna go now. Bye! Hey guys, so basically I went to, at first I went to Saw, then I went to Nemesis, Inferno, then I went to Stealth. Was amazing. Like it was so fast and it was so fun, so much fun. Nemesis Inferno, I did not like it as much, and then I did the bumping cars, which was so nice. And there was also this another one, I don't know the name, the one in which you go up and then whoo, you just go down. That was so nice. But yeah, anyway, I'm just to eat. There are a few shops here. There's this veggie box, so I'm getting like wraps and like rice bowls and everything. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And there's also KFC. So this day has been so much fun, and it's 11:40 now. So I have a lot of time, and I'm also excited about what's gonna happen at night. Basically, we're like a few friends and we're staying over, and I'm sure it's gonna be fun. And they also have like some entertainment or something. So yeah, I mean, I'm so excited. And my wrap is here, so I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is the wrap. You get this for £6, so it's falafel wrap. And then I also took some fries. I'm so excited. I just ate and the food was good. And I also want to show you the other options that you have here. There's a Burger King, and there are a few other restaurants. There's like restaurants, and there's also this place where you get nachos and stuff. There's churros, there's donuts, there's a lot to eat here. So that's amazing. I'm happy about that. And in the Burger King, basically after the wrap, I had like one burger because I wasn't really full. So I got this plant-based vegan burger, which was pretty good. And I love the chili cheese bites at Burger King. It's so good. So you have to try that. But anyway, right now I'm going for rapids because I just ate, so I don't want to like do a big roller coaster. So I'm just going for like rap. Yeah, this is what I'm going for. The Rumbo Rapids. This is always so fun. So I'm going to record this as well because I wasn't allowed to record a few other videos. But this one I think I'll be able to record as well. See you guys. A plush that looks so cute. I want one so bad. Anyway, I'm just going down for the Rumbo Rapids. I actually love this one, I'll be honest. I really want that plush, so I'm so jealous right now. I think I'm gonna try to get it if I can. That'll be amazing. Anyway, I'm just walking. This one I'll be able to record, so that's nice. I hope.
Please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms and legs inside the boat.
There we go. Nice.
Yeah.
The last section is smaller.
But it was a really fun, really nice. Do not miss this. It's amazing. I really enjoyed it. It's really relaxing and nice. Going in the swamp. I'm so excited for this. Looks so intense. Oh my god. Emergency supplies. I just want to show you what the cart looks like. It's crazy. It's like basically it's like you have wings. Where is it? It just says don't lose your head. That's so terrifying. How would they say that?
It does feel like
Right, moving on.
Anyway, by far, I've loved Saw. That is an amazing ride. Second, I would say Stealth is pretty good as well. And then Colossus was amazing. And the fourth one, which I really liked, was the Swarm. These 4 rides are like a must do if you come to Thorpe Park. And I did the river one. What was the name? The Roomba tides or something. Even that was really nice. But yeah, it feels nice. Right now this is closed. There's this pasta, rice dishes. It's closed for now. And well, I'm just sitting here, and then I'll be to other rides after this. But it's nice. I had a good day, and it's only I can't believe that it's only 2 o'clock. I still have like so much of time left. So the park basically closes. The last queue is at 5. And the park is open till 6, and after that I'll go to my shark cabins and rest for a bit. I'll show you the shark cabins. I'm really excited about that. I don't know what the room is going to be like, but I really like the entrance. Like, it was so different. It was like entering into a shark's mouth. So I'm going to show you that. So stay hooked. See you guys. Bye guys. This looks chill. So hey guys, I did Swarm twice. I did Stealth twice. Stealth is amazing. It's so fast. It ends really fast, but the speed is amazing. It's like 80 kilometers per hour. And I did what was the other one that I'm going for Saw the second time, and it's amazing because I think it's the perfect time you could come because it's empty, like for Swarm. So basically, during the exit, she was like, "Do you wanna go again?" Because it's so empty. It's amazing. I just wanted to show you guys a bit because I'm going to Saw, and I thought I will update you guys. By the way, this Black Mirror thing is opening up in a few days. I think in like 10-15 days it's gonna open up. Nope, that did not work. Chalk Cabin, and I'm staying at Chalk Cabin. It's amazing, and I just want to show you what this place looks like. So basically you get this really cool deal. So it's like 50 per person. 4 people can share one room, and it's 50 per person. So what you get in that is you get a breakfast and overnight stay at the shark cabin. You basically go inside the shark's mouth, which is so fun. And then you get a free breakfast, and then you get 2 days park entry. So one day you can just enter the park and then stay overnight, and then next day you can again do it. So I just got to know that there's this Thorpe Lake here. So there's Thorpe Park, which is cool, which is amazing, which is really cool. Like the rides Saw and all the other rides were amazing. But there's also Thorpe Lake, which you can book online, and you can basically there's jet skiing and there are other water activities, and it's open right now because it's an outdoor activity, so it's open. But anyway, I'm gonna show you this thing because it's like this really unique hotel. So I really wanted to show it to you because I love themed places, and I haven't really been to a lot of themed hotels and stuff. So this is the reception area, and then you can and it's open 24/7, so you can talk to them. And actually I did give them a call once, and the person who picked up my call was so friendly, and he explained okay, now I'm going to inside the shark's mouth, which is so exciting. Let's go. Hi guys, so I'm basically going to eat at this kitchen that they have. It's called Infinity Bar, and there are people. The view is amazing. I love the view. It's pretty windy as well. I think I can enter Thorpe Park right now. It's all empty, and I think I can enter right now. That's so cool. There's absolutely no one here, but I think I can sit and eat. Well, there are a few people here, but I think they're gonna go away soon. Oh no, this is the Infinity Bar. It's for the guests, for the people who are staying at the shark cabin. And also I think other people can use it as well. But yeah, let's see how.
Hi guys, got a book.
So they have outdoor seating, and you could scan the menu and order it directly from the website. So I just ordered like mac and cheese for myself. I'll show you what that looks like. I got it with some garlic bread. The garlic bread looks so nice, and there's some mac and cheese, and I'm so excited to eat this. So let's go. So guys, I ordered the vegans as well. Let me tell you, this is amazing. I actually didn't expect it to be this good. But if you come to Thorpe Park and if you're hungry, I would suggest eat here, because I did the mistake of having fries today. It was something I shouldn't have done, because it was unbelievably bad for my stomach later on when I went on roller coasters. But anyway, so you can try the garlic bread. They also have soup, which is nice. I love soup, and it's pretty cold, so you would find that really nice. And you can try the vegan sausage roll. I really like it, so I just thought I'll share it with you guys. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I just ate at this Infinity Bar, and the food was chilly. I didn't expect it to be this good. And now I just wanna, order the sausage roll. It was pretty good. And also, like, a few friends of mine, they ordered pizza. Even the pizza was nice. So you can have the pizza as well. And you, this ride looks like it's pretty late and it's closed. And there are so many people here, and it's just empty now. It just looks cool. And I'm just gonna go back to my room because I'm super duper tired. And I'm gonna tomorrow I'm also gonna do the type. So I'm just going back to my room now, and they have like pretty lights on. Nice. The sky looks amazing. So wait, this is the entrance to Thorpe Park. It was so crowded, and now it's all empty. And I just want to show you what this part looks like now, once it's all empty. So absolutely no people here now. It was so crowded in the morning, and it's gone. So during the entire lockdown, it must have been like this, and finally people can come here and chill. I don't know why, when things close, I just love coming to those places and just looking at it, because it's just a while back there were so many people, and now everyone's gone and it's all empty. I don't know, I don't know why I like it. It's just fun to me. And especially now, for example, there's a huge queue because people wanted to look at their pictures, but it's just fun. So that's the staff access only. And then finally, this is the entry. Again, here so many people were taking pictures and stuff. Pretty fun. This place, the resort looks really nice. I especially like this part. Looks very pretty. And now I'm just walking for a bit, and then I'm gonna go and sleep because I'm super tired and have a really exciting day tomorrow as well. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the water rides, and I'm also gonna do I'm gonna go for the breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna do some of my favorite rides again. By the way, this is the place where I think we'll be served breakfast in the morning. So that's part of Shark Cabin, and this is the outdoor courtyard that they have. Oh my god, the breakfast is like a cool breakfast with a view. I'm already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm just going back to my room. It looks really nice.